Last one, please. Last one. We're rolling.
Camera's rolling.
Stand by for sound.
Seconds to sound.
Sound ready and rolling.
Sound's rolling. Scene 29.
You're in frame, Sean. Yeah, you're good there. You just up a bit. You're good.
Scene 29, take 10. Action.
Okay. No. Cut. Let's cut, Sean. Nirina, please move your car. Thank you. I thought it would work, but set.
Is maar net scene 32 wat is ons gaan staan, right? Scene 32.
Wat daar lê?
Hier so jy ek vang die mitas ouens. Hulle laat aan die mitas, right? Hulle sal ons nou hulle wil nog Geneva toe gaan. Hulle Switserland. Jy dan hy ja. Watch dog. Kom ek sê. Vang sommer daar.
Dankie daar.
Blue is tussen, right? Ons is op die spot hier so.
Nee, maar ek wil weet wat jy daar om in die chill.
Wat gaan ek daar om in die chill?
Doing the makeup of the guy that's killing.
Got the ocean, 7 African beer. Baby, you been hard on me, I might call you Medea. Me and Krypton are something like Mali and Sativa. If you don't catch me in Swazi, catch me in the multi-play playing FIFA.
Baby. Kom ons koop môre 'n silieposte pirikooi.
Silieposte pirikooi môre. Ja, ek sal so maar 'n dik is op met 'n moerse groot swimming pool. Ja, motherfucker. It's up, Jay.
Okay, let's cut. I don't like the door open like that. Did Carl say hell?
Geld, yeah, I wanted to come back to you on that one. He said child.
Yeah, I thought you didn't have Kansas bad.
Yeah, no, I wanted to come back to you on that
Let's
one.
go again.
Tell me, do you miss Spain? Cliptown, I gotta leave. Please open up the gate. In order to succeed, you gotta leave your hometown. So Cliptown, I'ma be leaving soon, and that's no debate.
Isn't it too far?
Like most of your peers are already on
As long as you can hear.
If you think about it, first it starts with like small things like these.
Yeah.
Come in groups and you're like, yeah, we're gonna smoke, we're gonna do this. Okay, now we're gonna get some money for beers, then we're gonna chill, and then from that it's not enough.
And they do nothing about the drug dealers.
And this is where I get my inspiration from, you know, it's part of my DNA. You know, sometimes it's like, you know, this girlfriend that, you know, that I want to leave, you know, but there's always something, you know, that draw me back to this community. I mean,
okay, so besides that, what think you with the movie? Besides to snitch himself, what think you want to say the Beehive from Vatas?
Die Beehive eintlik represent die kassie man, jy sien. Ja, so wat ek eintlik van die fliek man, die directors en alles het gekom en gesê kyk ons gaan 'n fliek staan van Kliptown in die kassie en ons gaan gebruik net Kliptown ouens, kassie ouens.
Daar's so baie dinge wat ons kinders kan trek na die projek wat ons nou het. En onze kinders verloor. So dink ek is iets uitstekend van ons neem hulle en maak hulle deel van die
what inspired me is the fact that I'm so sorry to cut you. No, I was going to stop. I'm so sorry. We're thinking of going to Boise instead of, because now if we have to wait for dinner after 7, you know what I mean? That's time wasted. So we're thinking now go to Boise, try and shoot that first thing, go Boise.
Let me block the scene for you guys. Is everyone here?
Yeah.
So this is the scene. On side iso. And everyone is entertained by Stompy, obvious, you know. She's the star of the thingy.
The only one that this guy...
I can't part Afrikaans, but
the only one that he can reach is Nairo Quantum.
I'm casting himself. I'm casting himself.
Jaden, can I please have you? I know like this is not your job, man, but please. Can I please have you just with the reflector here? I just want to reflect some light on the country.
Am I too black?
Yeah, here.
Dan is as ene sê, daar is warm maar vrouw, die staan op dat ik mooi nooit. Ook altoe lachen. Nou kom je niet vreemd.
Os diz van Mavura, Deus wordt ja van Mavura, né?
Lá na Mavura, maar moet je moet gaan.
Wie krijgt dat?
Alles aan de body.
Aan de body.
Dan body.
Dus elke dag, dus Wednesday is a body.
Wednesday is the body, Tuesday is the body, Monday is the body.
Yeah, I think that's it. So you wanna walk in, please remember, because I wanna do it one take and then we out. Remember, you walk in, they stop you. Look at them, not the camera, but then you talk to them, and then you out.
Greet them.
Yeah, you can greet him, not him. Don't greet him. He's just a disabled kid that no one likes in the community. Just only he likes him.
All right, come on.
Cliptown, aka Kaya Letu. Take me back to my younger days at Kaya Letu. I swear, Cliptown, you stuck to me like a tattoo. As they say, you can't take the boy out the ghetto. I thought the ghetto out the boy. So
Ek dink die movie is baie belangrik because wat dit wys wat gebeur in ons omgewing in met ons kinders en dit sal ons kinders baie help.
Basically, the way I see it from Alamban's point of view, the Beehive is about the guys, it's about the neighborhood story, you see. So the guys in our neighborhood, how they live, what we do for money, what we do to survive. As you just see in the scene that I took with Kurtley, stuff they do to survive. Sometimes we have to go out and have sex with people.
There's not much of opportunities. We tend to take this opportunity because this is the only opportunity we see. On the streets, when you roam on the streets, you'll see there's a lot of people like Dara on the streets.
We are here in Kliptown making a film of Beehive, and I think it's going to be a very nice film, guys. You're all going to invite it. This was my dreams, guys.
Nee man, het was mooi geweest, Bafana. Het was mooi.
Never give up on my dreams. I always dreamt about being an actor, but now at the age of 64, my dreams are coming true. Hold on to your dreams, it will always come through. Thank you, guys.
And you're going to fall 10 times before you get up again.
Yeah.
You're going to fall and be prepared to get up again, because that is what it takes. That's what success takes. You cannot have success without failure. The stars can't shine without darkness.
En dit is een van die punte omdat dit 'n Kliptown filmmaking is. Involve ons almal, al die kinders, al die jongens tot op ouers. Is almal deel van die movie. Dit maak dit so suksesvol en dit maak my so bly oor dit.
Shoot for the stars till I kill a fucking spaceman.
Okay, let's go inside and check what they're up to inside.
This is the inside. One, such beauty. Beauty, 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 beauty. Yeah. We have beauty. So this is the place where we're shooting. This is the set. Yeah.
Because we had a bad experience last year with all this COVID delaying the process of the movie. And now the weather is also delaying.
Well, Annie.
Yeah. You understand?
You're making me feel so uncomfortable right now. But it's fine. What? Dog, you're gonna get electrocuted. I just felt something now.
Oh, yes.
What have you learned? What have you learned in the last 5 days
It's
that you
hard
didn't
to
expect?
It's hard to make a movie. That's what I learned. Like, I did expect it was hard, but I learned that it's not hard. Like, it's actually like, what's worse than hard?
Fucking hard.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, pull out. Or it's harder.
Yeah.
Yeah, always. It's hard.
Like,
I won't say I told you.
You know, that's how I be feeling. Was like, but I'm tired all the time. Like, it's fucking hard. Like, yeah. But you know what? I'm gonna do it over and over and over and over again. If anything has to kill me, it's this. Like, can't be killed by a woman's stress, you know. Fuck that. Fuck that shit. If I go out, it has to be the film that then I'll be good. You know? Not people. It has to be what you love. You have to be killed by what you love.
Kids doing drugs like the end is near.
Oh! More.
Hello, Cliptown. I hope you taking care. Baby, I know that life ain't fair. Cliptown, you beautiful, I gotta stand. Hello, Cliptown. There's something I gotta share. You lost a lot of good folks and that ain't fair. Cliptown, I see you got a lot of fear. Kids doing drugs like the end is near.
Send love to Mandela Square. I see you got the palm tree, so I got a chair. I see since Susie got renovated for some movie gear. And I see Keltas got we placed, we got total here. And I'm still totally proud that I came from here. Cliptown, you still stuck between the rock and the hard place. And my brother's still cooking rocks up here. Yeah.